Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning with the VMOK compressed air duster. Cleaning your electronics and hard-to-reach areas has never been this easy and efficient. The VMOK compressed air duster is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let's kick things off with power. This electric air duster features an upgraded 100,000 RPM motor, offering 3 adjustable wind speeds. Whether you're cleaning your computer, keyboard, or other equipment, you can now choose the perfect airflow to get the job done. Say goodbye to disposable canned air. The VMOK compressed air duster is not only eco-friendly but also cost-effective. It can be recharged and used repeatedly, making it a one-time investment that saves you money in the long run. Plus, it produces no harmful chemicals, liquids, or ice during the cleaning process, ensuring your electronics stay safe and dry. Need to tackle those dark corners? No problem. The VMOK air duster comes equipped with an LED light that illuminates your cleaning path. It's a game changer for those hard-to-see areas. Versatility is key. The VMOK compressed air duster includes 6 different nozzles and 3 cleaning brushes. With 360 degrees no dead-angle dust blowing, you can clean virtually anything, from computer cases and keyboards to cars, sofas, and even lily windows. It's a handy tool for various cleaning needs. Now, let's talk eco-friendliness and efficiency. This air duster is a fantastic alternative to disposable canned air. It's not just rechargeable but also more environmentally friendly, saving you from the constant need to buy cans of air. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the VMOK compressed air duster is your go-to cleaning companion. It's time to say goodbye to dust, crumbs, and debris with ease. There you have it, folks. If you're ready to step up your cleaning game and make a positive impact on the environment, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more innovative tech solutions like the VMOK compressed air duster. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay clean and tech savvy.